Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Ïakren menpat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Fcra University, Meghalaya.
Menteri rang ba jala konrad ke sangma pratarik naitung arjak penriu liatu ba menteri sarkar pedeng ubakmi yak tanat kampo ing Amit Shah unsa Khot Ïakren ki Nongïalam joki kenhun balang ba per nagathan stay lamingi hadin artayo ban Ïakren halor ke jingtarwa jong sarkar pedeng banwanra yak jingpen bait thamai yak Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Menteri rang ba liatu ba Amit Shah usha skor bha yak jing batai ba dik jing pensai ha jing kendu dangsen yak Nongïalam joki kenhun balang Khristan ba per nagane ke jala.
The first meeting we had was with the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji. And in that meeting, I was accompanied by leaders of different churches and different denominations from Meghalaya and some from the rest of the Northeast also. And we had a detailed discussion on the amendments to the Fcra Act. The discussions were very positive in the sense that there was a lot of concerns that were raised by us. At the same time, the Honorable Home Minister took the initiative and trouble to explain all the different aspects to the people and representatives who were there from our side. And the memorandum which was given to him and the different points that were mentioned, he has assured us that he will be going through each of these points and discussing and giving a detailed reply back to us. Plus, on top of that, he has also decided to invite different church leaders from the Northeast in the next 2 weeks' time, where Home Secretary will sit with the different church leaders and listen to their concerns and address their concerns and also present the facts about the amendment bill and also share the concerns of the government. So this, of course, was done after a request was put in from my side that to get more clarity, maybe Home Secretary could have this kind of a broad-based discussion. And I'm thankful to the Honorable Home Minister for accepting that suggestion. And we are waiting for the formal invite. So maybe in about 10 days to 14 days time, we will be invited once again to Delhi by the Home Secretary for further discussions.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.